Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Calculating the distance between two particle positions is fast when you use the velocity vector. Let's solve this calculus problem together right now. Watch this. First, we need the displacement in the x direction. Integrate the velocity component to the fifth power from time 1 to 2. This gives us the horizontal change in position. Next, we find the vertical displacement by integrating the y velocity component. Evaluate the integral of 1 plus the square root of t squared from 1 to 2 for the y change. Finally, apply the distance formula by squaring both displacements, adding them, and taking the square root. This calculation leads directly to the correct value. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid rushing and watch signs. Trust given values and check steps for option A.